So as you can see, this was our entry right here, because I saw price at level 90. I saw price at level 90 and I opened a position around this level here, which was around this level here, and which was just three dots here before we had the spike to the downside, and I took my profit somewhere here, So the spike happened around this level. Okay, so this is the strategy I'm sharing with you guys now. This strategy is very powerful. Okay, it's very strong. I've been using this strategy to scalp to sorry I've been using this strategy to catch spikes, especially while people are sleeping at night, after giving out signals, after providing signals to my VIP members. I use this to catch spikes. Okay, and I also upload my scalping strategy, because a lot of people like scalping strategy, while some like spike strategies. Okay, because it all depends on how you feel, because you need to just need to feel comfortable. Okay, just need to feel comfortable. If you think scalping is best for you, fine. You want to catch spikes, fine. But I think catching of spikes is more better. Why? Because if you're catching spikes now, for example, you're catching spike, this is your entry, this was your entry, and it didn't spike from here down here, and your patience enough to hold trade to this level, and spike comes, even if it does not get to your entry, but at least it will reduce your loss. Sorry, it will reduce the loss, right? But if you're scalping, imagine you're scalping at this level here. So this strategy is very powerful. Just one or two spikes, you get it and jump out of the market. So if you were scalping and at this level here, you want to catch 10 candles, or five, or yeah, like more 20 candles. Like there are some people that want to stay like 1 hour, someone that want to scalp to take few dots and jump out. You'll be scalping for like 1 hour. Jesus Christ. When this spike catch gets you, trust me, you're done. You're doomed. Okay, so I think the best thing to do is just get few dots here and you're out. But even with that, imagine you opening a position around this level here just to scalp, and before you know it, spike happens and price keeps going down. Okay, it's I think it's all depends on what works better for you, right? But I think to catch spikes is far better. I think to catch spikes is far better. So I'll advise you guys to learn how to catch spikes. So in this very video, I'll be explaining, okay, well detailed on how to catch spikes. Simple. Even if you're a new person in this market, trust me, you'll be able to catch spikes with this strategy. Okay, so before I start, if you're new on our channel, kindly hit the like button. um Subscribe, please. Subscription is very important. It's so important, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a content like this, you'll be the first to watch and benefit. Okay, so it's your boy the Major. Okay, so join my VIP, our VIP channel, my free channel as well. And you want to chat me up, check the description area. I'll drop my link there, my WhatsApp line, so you can contact me and reach me. Okay, so like I said, this strategy here is my VIP strategy, and if you listen and keep on practicing using this method, this strategy, and whatever I'm going to show you today, to practice over time, trust me, you'll be profitable. If your dream, your goal, your aim is just for you to catch spikes on boom and crash, this is the strategy for you. Okay, tighten up your seatbelt, let's go. Yeah, so first of all, when you open this chart, let me first of all drop this here. Okay, when you open the chart, you can move to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so there's always an information. Most people that comes into the market doesn't know this. There's always an information on your chart that tells you price is likely reverse. It's gonna reverse. So with time you understand that. But what I'm trying to show you here will help you know that even without having much experience in this market. Okay, so there's always information here. Price tells you when it's about to move sometimes, or when it's about to spike, or when it's about to push up for maybe for crash for you to scalp. Okay, so here when you see there are some levels here on your chart. I love doing this, and this is the secret. There's no other secret. There are some levels on your chart, like this level here. there are some levels on your chart where price respects a lot. Price respects that area. Whenever price gets to that area, it respects that area. You can see how many times we have rejections. We have price reversing around this level here. You see those pull back, price reversing around those levels there. That's those are key levels. The same thing here. We have several times here spikes has been happening around this level. So you'll be waiting for those levels, like this other level here. You'll be waiting for those levels so that whenever price gets there, you take advantage of that level and make profits. Okay, so you need to learn how to identify support and resistance on your chart so that you'll be able to do this. But it's very simple. You can see here, if you zoom like this, you can see those level here when price has been respecting those levels over time. Yeah, price has been respecting those levels over time. So you just need to look for those levels first. Remember, this is spike strategy. Use this strategy to catch spikes on boom and crash, especially boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, because their spikes are very deep. They're always deep. Okay, so you move back and check those areas where price spikes around. Those areas we have spikes. We have these zones. You see here, you see price came down to this level and respected this level and pushed up to the upside, pushed to the upside, right? And the same thing here, price spiked and reversed at this level, reverse at this level. So these are key levels. When price gets to those levels, it will respect those levels, okay? So those are key levels on your charts. You map them out, you map them out, you map those levels out. You go back and check if they are strong enough. At least if you have like two or three places touches on your on those levels, that makes that level a key level. Okay. So after doing this, you can see price reverse around this level here, this one here that I just placed. So after identifying these key levels on your chart, the next thing you need to do is to switch down to smaller time frame, smaller time frame, switch down to smaller time frame to see if spike price has gotten to that level and if it's gonna spike. Okay, so now for crash, when you see price dropping like this, you'll be waiting for price to push up to a level like this so that it gets to a level that your zone that you mapped out, yeah, on the 30 minutes time frame. So whenever price gets to that level, you open a position. Yeah, when you open a position, you just know how much you're about to risk. When you're catching spikes, you need to know how much you're about to risk, how much is your equity, your capital, and how much are you willing to give to the market. Okay, you need to know all those. It's very important. Okay, you need to know how much you're willing to give for a particular um, position you open. Okay, so if you have a $20 account, yeah, this strategy you can use it to trade a smaller account. If you have a $20 account, what you need to do is for you to just wait and use a very small lot size. And okay, you might say if it goes above of $5 or $3, I'm closing. Okay, if it does not spike after I see $5 minus $5, I'm closing. Okay, so whenever it runs in negative $5, you close. Okay, then you try again. That's how to trade. But this strategy is over 95% accurate. 95% accuracy, as 95% accuracy. Okay, so when after identifying those levels, you wait for price to drop like this for crash, you wait for price to drop like this, then whenever price pull up again to that resistance level, this is resistance, and down here is support. Whenever price get to that resistance level, and you need to switch down to 1 minute time frame to confirm on your check your chart, your sorry, to check that you must be sure you have price at this line here. Then when you switch down to lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, you need to bring up your indicator, your indicators. Okay, you can see the indicators you have here, and if you have price around that level, it's gonna spike. See what happened right here. I told you guys I open a position right here. I open a position right here, yeah, and the spike happened. Okay, after three dots, you can see 1 2 3 dots, spike happened. That's because I saw price at this level here, saw price at this level here, on this level. That's why I open a position, and you see what happened. Spike happens and happened, and it's still happening. It's still spiking down. Okay, so if we go back, you see the same thing here. When we had price around this oversold area for crash, which was around this level. We open the position, you can see spike happening few candles after that level. And you go back again. Whatever you see your Ichimoku, your RSI around this level here, which is this level here. You open a position and you have your horizontal line here. You can see price around that level, it spikes. Okay, and when it gets to that level, oversold level, it spikes a lot. The same thing here. You see price at the oversold level here. When you check your indicator window one, you see price above at that oversold level, and we have our horizontal line here. You must be sure we have the horizontal line here, and your your indicator must confirm as well that price has gotten to the oversold level for it to sell. Then you open the position, it spikes. Okay, if you keep on checking, it's still the same thing. Still the same thing. You have another one here, or you have here. So you open the position and it spikes. Okay, always choose small lot size. Don't over leverage your account. Okay, small lot size and spike happens. The same thing here, spike happens. Okay, so that's how to trade with this strategy. That's how to trade with this strategy. It's as simple as that. So you can see here we have the horizontal line here, yeah, and down here we have price at the oversold area, and the spike happened. And when this happens like this, whenever price touches this line, the key level, resistance level here, it will spike for a long time. It will spike for a long time. So you must be sure you move on to 30 minutes. You must be sure that we have a trend like this. We have a trend like this. We have a trend like this, and whenever it goes up here, you sell. When it gets to your resistance level, you sell down, and you take profit down here. You take like one or two spikes, you're out. You can see the same thing here. It keeps going up, and you sell down. So this, like what happened here, it will go up again to this level here, then you sell it down, you take your profit. Okay, so you use zoom level one, sorry, zoom level three. This is one, sorry, this is one, this is two, and this is the three. The zoom level three. MT5 has 5 zoom levels. Okay, so you use the third zoom level to trade this strategy. Okay, so let me quickly show you the settings. We have only three indicators here. We have the RSI period is 20, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and the color is blue. Sorry about that. Yeah, we have period is 20, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, the color here is blue, and this the levels here we have 85, we have 15, we have 10 and 90. Okay, and the pixel here is 3 pixel. You go back and click on done. Okay, then you apply another indicator, which is the Ichimoku. You have the Ichimoku here, 5. The Tenkan Sen is 5. Kijun Sen is 5. Senkun Span B is 5. Here you leave this place empty. Then apart from this Kijun Sen, which is 4 pixel, others are 1 pixel. Let's keep this 1 pixel, and the color are all white apart from this one that has the Kijun Sen that has 4 pixel. Will be this if you're using white background, you should use white black color here so that you'll be able to see your indicator. But if you're using black, your MT5 background is black, then here should be white. We can see it should be white so that you'll be able to see that indicator. Okay, you go back and click on done, then go back again, you add your MACD. You have fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA, we have 9, apply to close. Pixel, first pixel main is 1, the second one is 2, and the color here is rate. There's no, we don't have any levels here. You click on done. Those are the indicators you have here. We only have indicators on the on the indicator window one, okay, which is this one here. So as you can see, price is pushing up again. When it gets to this level or this other level, it will spike. So whenever it gets to that level, you need to confirm here again that we have price at the oversold level for it to sell for crash. Then for boom, boom 1000, yeah, for boom 1000, you must make sure that price gets to, you can see what happened. The price gets to the oversold level and it spikes. You must have the both the Ichimoku, MACD, and the RSI at this oversold level, okay, for you to buy crash, for you guys spikes on crash, okay, like what we have here. Spikes happen, and if you go back to 30 minutes time frame and you look at this, this is not cool for you to buy boom. You can see it's dropping down like this. You can always scalp when you see a market like this, but for you to buy, no, it's not cool. But when you see a trend like this, maybe something like this, a trend like this, you keep on looking for buying opportunity. But when you have a strong downtrend like this, you need to stay away and look for other charts to trade on. Okay, so for account management, hit me up. Check the description area for my link. For mentorship, hit me up. You want private mentorship classes, sorry, if you have one private classes, I'm always there. Join classes, I'm there. Account management, VIP signals, we have over 90% accuracy, okay, because we use the best strategy, which is price action. So I'm willing to teach you, to give you all I know about trading. Okay, I'm willing to give you, because I want to see you successful. I have good traders that are doing well. I can quickly show you they're doing perfectly well. They're killing the market. They're filling the market. They flip accounts like every day. These are charts, the drop charts here we discuss. Okay, they're flipping accounts every day. Okay, they're flipping. They're good at this. Okay, so this the channel. This you can see this, you can see this, they are good at this, right? They are amazing. So you can join the academy so that you learn how to equally make money from the markets. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Thank you.